All right, guys. Well, we had a little snafu, you know, such is life. Basically, had all this filmed and then lost all the footage. I don't know where it went, so kind of redoing an intro here. The point we have it to now is we cut a door. Not very good either. Tricky with a cutoff wheel. And that's where the burner is going to go, is right down in there. And I'll bring you over top here to see how we stabilize the smokestack there. It's not even welded here. It's just the tension, you know. It's tight. I put some water in there already because I wanted to make sure we had no leaks. And then there's where the pump's going to hook. Again, I wanted to test for leaks. All right. I'm taking it off the stand, but anywho, so we'll take you inside now and show you what's going on in there. I'm going to tip the stove right down. See how good we plan this here. Well, not very good. Shocker. So anyways, try not to cut my fingers off here. There's the fancy door. I'm taking you right off this stand. I hate this thing. Keep bumping into everything and it doesn't hold it straight anyways. But anyways, that's where the stove, the burner is going to hook right up to that. That goes straight through the middle. Anyways, we've got a drain here and we've got a drain at the back there. And that's just in case the burner does go out and we don't get to it right away. And I'm only going to have a 5-gallon bucket on this with a gravity feed. So hopefully it'll hold 5 gallons, but hopefully it won't need to hold 5 gallons. It won't go out. All right, well, that's what she looks like. I cut 16 inches off another barrel to make the bottom section there to put the burner in. That way we don't have open flame because it's going to be sitting kind of close to the building. So we'll see how it goes, man. We're going to fire it up. And I don't have any secondary air intake holes on there at the moment. I want to try it without it, and then if we have to, we'll drill some holes. So let me get it fired up and be right back with you. All right, we're gonna dump some oil in here and see if we can't get this thing to fire up. To hold the burner up onto that chimney, I propped it up just a couple pieces of exhaust pipe. See if we can light it with no paper here, because seems like the paper just kind of plugs it up, you know. We'll see. Try and stay out of the way. Well, it's lit. Kind of. We'll see if it stays going. I pretty near filled it right up on accident. I'm gonna throw some more stack on there, see if that makes a difference. Well, it's going. I'm gonna let it get rolling here, and I'll bring you back when we have her heated up here. Well, I forgot to fill it up. Definitely going though. We're getting her filled up. You can see it steaming right off the pipe, and that's cold water going in there right now. So we'll let it fill up here, and I'll do a temperature reading, and we'll see what kind of power we're making here. I'm definitely smoking, but we'll worry about that later. You can see this thing's probably glowing. Yeah, it's glowing in there. She She's definitely huffing and puffing. It's glowing red, man. So that's a good thing. Well, the water coming in right out of the hose there is about 50, 52 degrees. But it's so dang hot, I can barely hold my hand there. That pipe's so hot. Holy smokes. I swear it's heating it on demand. Yeah, see, it's skyrocketing already. It is hot. Boy, I think it's going to work just fine. You know, you can see it's swirling all around. It is definitely hot, man. All right, I'll bring you back here once we get her up to temp. I'm going to go see what time it is right now, actually. Sorry about the mess in here. Holy smokes, man. Been busy. So, 2:41 right now. We'll check back and see how long it takes for it to get up to about 160, 170. Well, it's already up to almost 100 degrees. Let me go check the time here real quick. Once I have the pump on there too, it'll be even better. So the time is 3:06. Pretty much no smoke. Little here and there. But yeah, I mean, I've got another 10 foot on top of that stack I had before, so definitely made a huge difference. And I don't have any secondary air going in there at the moment. I mean, you see a few puffs here and there, but I can live with that. Burning good. And it's just barely dripping in there. Let me try and get you that shot. There you go. Just a drip. That's all it takes. She's burning pretty darn hot. Pretty happy with it. I mean, we can improve on it for sure. And once the pump's in there, circulating that water, that'll make a huge difference too, as far as heating it up evenly. So, all right, we'll check back in a minute, see where we're at with the temperature. All right, well, it's about 3:45 now. So we'll see what this water is up to. You can see it steaming. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not. Don't look like it. But anyways, this thermometer reading about 50 degrees. Stick her right in the water here. I think the steam's getting to the camera or something. Oh, almost dropped it. So we're at about 110 right now. Maybe a little more. Oh yeah. A little bit more than 110. All right, well, we'll check back in here shortly and see if we get this thing up to temp. Keep in mind, this barrel is just open to air. And, I mean, you can see the wind just whipping. Turbines are friggin' spooling like crazy. And it's only 20 degrees out, so I'm surprised it's heating up as much as it is, really. Once I get this barrel all insulated, I think we'll be in business, man. I think it'll work just dandy. All right, we'll check back in a few, see where we get. All right, well, it's about 5 o'clock. Well, 5 o'clock. So let's go see what's going on. Just temperature. I don't want to cut because I don't want anybody to think I'm cheating here. Grab the old thermometer here. Whoa, I'm already warming it up, I'm sure. But yeah, see the temperature. It's about 30 degrees. A little bit of a heat wave here today. So we'll see where we're at now. I'm gonna call it either way. So hopefully we're close to our goal here. It's going up pretty darn quick. I can see it bubbling, so that's a good sign. You can see it bubbling off the pipe there, and you can see the bubbles coming up from the water all over the place. So I think we're close to boiling. That circulator pump will make a huge difference. Yeah, we're at about 160 and rising slowly, steaming it right up, and the camera. Yeah, we're a little over 160, so all in all, man, free energy. I do have a bit of smoke, but like I said before, it looks a lot worse on camera. It's weird, but I can drill some holes, get rid of that. But yeah, I'm gonna call that a win, man. Next video, we'll get the pump hooked up, actually do some heating and do some testing with it. See if it's gonna be able to hold up and do what we need it to do. If not, we can always put a blower burner in there, but I wanted to try and do this for, you know, shit hits the fan kind of situation. We don't have any power. All right, man. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a great day. Just joking. I'm back. I just wanted to show you how much oil it used. When we started, I filled it right to here. And this is just a 5-gallon bucket, so I don't know. Might have used gallon and a half, gallon maybe. I don't know. I'll have to dump back in there to that line and figure it out later, but not much oil considering how much water we heated up from 50 degrees. All right, that's it this time. Have a good day.